Hey learners, it's Missy, and welcome back to Missy's English, your cozy corner for learning English.
Hi everyone, it is Tom here. It is good to be here, I guess.
Tom, that was a very heavy sigh. You sound a little bit down today. Is everything okay?
To be honest, Missy, not really. I had a pretty tough weekend. I feel a bit embarrassed to talk about it.
You are safe here, Tom. We are all friends. What happened?
Well, I went to a party on Saturday. My cousin invited me. It was a big barbecue in the park. There were so many people there. Music, food, laughing. It looked like fun.
That sounds like a lovely afternoon. Did you not have fun?
No, I didn't. I stood near the food table for 2 hours. I held my plastic cup and I just looked at my phone. I felt completely invisible, like I wasn't even there.
Oh, Tom, that is such a heavy feeling. Being lonely in a crowd is actually harder than being lonely at home.
It really is. I wanted to say, hello. I watched people talking, and I thought, why is it so easy for them? But my feet felt like they were stuck in concrete. I couldn't move.
I know that feeling so well. And I promise you, Tom, many of our listeners know it too. We all want to connect, but the fear stops us. It builds a wall.
It does feel like a wall, a glass wall. I can see them, but I can't reach them. I want to break that wall, Missy. I don't want to be the guy in the corner looking at his phone.
Then you are in the perfect place today. If you have ever felt invisible at a party or scared to speak to a stranger, please subscribe and keep listening. We are going to break that wall together today.
I really hope so. I am ready to try.
Today, we are talking about how to make friends, and we are going to make it simple. No scary rules.
Simple? It feels very complicated to me. There are so many things to worry about. What do I say? Do I look stupid?
I know, but think about it. Every best friend you have was once a stranger.
That is true. My best friend, Mark, I didn't know him at all 10 years ago. We were total strangers.
Exactly. It is easier than it sounds. We just need to take small steps.
Okay, small steps. I can do small steps. So let's go back to the barbecue. Why couldn't I move my feet?
I think you were afraid of the ice.
The ice? It was a summer barbecue, Missy. It was very hot.
No, I mean the expression breaking the ice. It means starting the conversation. That first moment is the hardest.
Breaking the ice. Yes, that is exactly it. I was afraid the ice was too thick.
Tell me, what were you thinking in that moment when you looked at a group of people laughing?
I was thinking, they are having fun. They are a group. If I talk to them, I will bother them. I didn't want to be annoying.
That is such a common fear. We think we are bothering people, but usually people are happy to meet someone new.
Really? Even if they are already talking?
Yes, imagine this. You're at a barbecue. You are talking to your cousin, and someone comes up with a big smile and says, "Hi, that burger looks great." How do you feel?
I guess I would feel welcomed. I would feel happy to include them. I would probably say, yes, the burgers are delicious.
See, you are not annoying. You are just joining in. I have a story about this, actually.
Oh, a story about breaking the ice? Tell me.
Last year, I joined a new gym. I didn't know anyone. I just put my headphones on and looked at the floor.
Oh, gyms are the worst. Everyone is in their own world. It is very intimidating.
Exactly. It was so quiet. But one day, I saw a girl wearing a t-shirt with a picture of a cat in space.
A cat in space? Okay, that is funny.
It was hilarious. And that was my clue. My heart was beating fast. I am shy too, Tom. But I took a deep breath.
What did you say? Did you ask about the cat?
I did. I walked over to the water fountain and said, "I love your shirt. Is that a cat astronaut?"
That is simple. You didn't try to be cool or clever?
No, just a simple comment about what I saw. And guess what?
What happened? Did she think you were weird?
No, she smiled so big. She said, "Yes, I love cats and space." And we started talking about her cat, Fluffy.
No way. Just like that?
Yes! We were both standing by the water fountain laughing. But because I broke the ice with a simple comment, we connected.
That is amazing. So she wasn't annoyed. She was actually happy, you noticed.
Exactly. Now we text each other about cats all the time.
So you used the t-shirt as a way to start.
Yes, we call that context, using what is around you. So at your barbecue, Tom, what was around you?
Well, there was food. A lot of food. There was a giant chocolate cake.
Perfect! Food is the best context. Everyone loves food. What could you say about the cake?
Maybe. Wow, that cake looks dangerous.
I love that. That cake looks dangerous. It is funny, and it is true.
Or maybe, have you tried the chocolate cake yet? Is it good?
Tom, that is perfect. That is a gentle, easy question. It is not scary.
It sounds easy when we practice it here. But what if they say, yes, it is good, and then silence?
Ugh, the awkward silence. That is the thing I fear the most.
Me too. That moment when you stare at each other, it makes me want to run away.
Don't run away. I have a secret weapon for the silence.
A secret weapon? Please tell me. I need it.
The secret is be a detective.
A detective? Like solving a crime?
A little bit. You need to listen for clues in their answer.
Okay, explain this to me. How do I find clues?
Imagine you ask someone, "How was your weekend?" And they say, "It was okay. I just walked my dog."
Okay, they walked their dog.
A bad listener says, "Cool," and the conversation stops.
Yeah, I have done that. Cool. And then I look at my shoes.
But a detective listener hears the clue. What is the clue in that sentence, Tom?
The clue is the dog.
Yes, the dog is the clue. So you ask a follow-up question about the dog.
Like, what kind of dog is it? Or what is his name?
Exactly. And suddenly, they are showing you photos on their phone. People love talking about their pets.
That actually sounds fun. I love dogs.
See? You are not boring. You are just interested. You don't have to be interesting, Tom. You just have to be interested.
Wait, say that again? That sounds important.
You don't have to be interesting. You have to be interested.
Wow, that takes so much pressure off my shoulders. I always thought I had to tell funny jokes.
No, you just need to ask good questions. Let the other person be the star.
I can do that. I am a good listener.
You are a great listener, Tom. But there is one more step. The scary step.
Oh no, what is the scary step?
Moving from talking to friends. You have to make the invitation.
The invitation. You mean asking to see them again?
Yes, because if you have a great talk about dogs, but then you say bye, you will never see them again.
That happens to me a lot. I have a nice chat, but then we just walk away.
You have to be brave. You have to suggest a plan.
But what if they say no? What if they think I am weird?
That is the fear of rejection. It is very real. But think about my gym friend. What if I never asked her to get coffee?
Then you would just be water fountain friends.
Exactly. So you have to try. Keep it low pressure.
Low pressure. Give me an example. How do I ask without being scary?
Use the word join. It is a magic word.
Join? How do I use it?
Let's say you are talking about movies. You can say, "I am going to see that new Batman movie next week. Would you like to join me?"
Would you like to join me? That sounds nice. It is not like a date. It is just joining.
Exactly. Or if you are talking about coffee, I know a great cafe. We should grab a coffee sometime.
We should grab a coffee. That sounds casual. I like that.
It is very casual. If they say yes, great. You exchange numbers.
And if they say no, or if they say maybe,
Then you smile and say, no problem. And you finish the conversation politely. It is not a failure, Tom.
it feels like a failure.
No, it is just practice. You practiced being brave. That is a success.
You are right. I need to change my mindset. Every no is just practice for the yes.
Yes, that is the spirit. You know, Tom, actually, we received a message from a listener about this exact problem.
Oh, really? Someone wrote to us?
Yes, it is a message from Sarah. She lives in Spain.
Oh, Spain. Hola, Sarah. What does she say?
Sarah says, "Hi, Missy and Tom. I started a new job last month. My colleagues are nice, but they always go to lunch together and they don't invite me. I eat alone at my desk. I want to go with them, but I am too shy to ask. What should I do?"
Oh, Sarah, I feel your pain. Eating alone at your desk is very lonely.
It is. What do you think, Tom? Based on what we talked about today, what advice would you give her?
Well, she is waiting for them to invite her, but maybe they think she wants to be alone.
That is a very good point. Maybe they think she is busy.
So she needs to break the ice. But asking, "Can I come?" is scary.
It is scary. So maybe she can use context.
Context? How?
Maybe when she sees them standing up to leave, she can ask, "Oh, where are you guys going for lunch today?"
Yes, that is perfect. It shows interest. And if they say, "We are going to the sandwich shop," what can she say?
She can say, "Oh, I love sandwiches. Can I join you?"
Yes, use the magic word. Can I join you? It is honest and brave.
Or she could bring something, like donuts.
Donuts. Tom, you always think about food.
It works! If you bring a box of donuts to the break room, everyone will talk to you. Oh, thank you, Sarah.
That is actually great advice. Food brings people together. So Sarah, try to be brave, ask where they are going, or bring a snack to share.
And remember, Sarah, they are probably nice people. They just don't know you yet. Give them a chance to know you.
Exactly. Good luck, Sarah. Let us know how it goes.
You know, talking about Sarah's problem, it makes me feel better about my own. We are all just trying to fit in.
We are. Whether it is a barbecue, a gym, or a new office, we all need connection. I feel much better, Missy. I think next time I see a chocolate cake at a party, I am going to speak up.
That cake looks dangerous. I want you to say exactly that.
I will, I promise. And I will listen for clues like a detective.
You are going to be great, Tom. Just remember, you don't have to be interesting. You just have to be interested.
Interested. I can do that.
It was really fun talking about this today. It feels good to share these struggles.
It does. It makes them feel smaller.
And now it is time for our community question of the day.
Yes, I want to hear from our listeners.
Our question is, what is your favorite way to start a conversation? Do you talk about the weather, the food, or something else?
Oh, good question. I usually ask about the weather. It is safe. It is hot today, isn't it?
Tell us in the comments. We want to borrow your ideas.
And if this episode helped you feel a little less lonely, please like and subscribe. Join our family here.
Yes, come join us. Thanks for learning with us today. Keep learning, keep smiling.
And we'll see you in the next English chat. Bye-bye.